All right, let's do it. This is LaQuinta in Braselton, Georgia. As soon as you come in the door, let's put the light on here. Put some light on the situation. All right, as soon as you come in the door, there's the microwave, coffee station, refrigerator, refrigerator. It's cold, no freezer. Coffee, I'm looking for a light. There's no light under there. Okay. I'm here, might as well show you the bathroom now. First thing. Light. Okay. This is the bathroom. So I had just walked in and set my bags down, so I haven't touched anything. Hair dryer. So you get to see how clean things are, and looking pretty clean so far. Products. It's nice they provide you with stuff in case you forget your own. All right, that's the bathroom. Moving on to the rest of the room. This is a closet, I'm guessing. Yep. Why am I zoomed in? Everything seems so close. Okay, this is the closet. You got an ironing board, extra pillow and stuff. Plenty space. I like these. I'll hang my coat right there. This is the room. This is a king. She called it a business king. I don't know why she called it a business king. Maybe because it has a desk. Nice high ceilings. There's your sitting area. You've got a clock here with a bunch of plug-ins. I don't know if this is a sleeper sofa or what. But yeah, nice table you can eat at. Overlooking nothing. Not much of a view. 2 TVs in this room. Here's one for the sitting area. That's all my luggage. Work area. The work area has plugs in the lamp, and I'm guessing those are probably really going to be slow USB and stuff, so hopefully you brought your own. But yeah, not a lot to it. I'm just taking my time showing it, I guess. This is the view from the window. Nice spacious room. Nice and cool in here. No smell, which is nice. That's your other TV. This is nice, actually. This is, yeah, you see the texture of that? That's nice. And I will be checking for bed bugs. But everything looks really nice and clean. I'm pleased with the room so far. Well, they've got USBs and plug connections everywhere. Not quite. Non-smoking. And yeah, full-length mirror. So yeah, that's it. This is the suite. Also located in Braselton, Georgia, is Chateau Elan Resort and Winery. This hotel is a less than 10-minute drive from the resort and a nice budget-friendly place to stay if you're visiting the resort for leisure or business.